JD is still not done. Pero palabas na siya. I bought na Burns gift, pero bibili pa ako ng mousepad. Kasi 150 lang yung case, 200 dapat. I mean, 150 to 200, pero I'd like to give 200 na talaga kay Burns. Fast!
Low.
I need to buy mousepad.
Low?
Yeah.
So,
Is it okay? Okay.
low.
Yeah. Para safe. No, that's not manly at all. As much as I love banana. Oh my gosh, I don't have it in my hand. We're at the escalator.
O, diba? Ang ganda ng camera pag nakataas.
Whatever. Nangalay. Ito nga normal, nakakangalay. Yung takatakas pa kaya. Where's the away? I'm tired already.
At least na kwento mo yung masarap. And overall, life
Wala na akong life issue eh. Sobrang naging busy lang talaga sa school, I swear. Parang noong November, I was so drained.
this year talaga na has like been the busiest.
Really? Would you say so? Sa'yo rin?
Oo, like it's been the busiest at the same time for nga.
The most fulfilling.
It's been the most peaceful. Kasi
Interesting.
parang wala akong I don't have to deal with problem with the guy.
Ah, yeah. You didn't have guy problems. Yeah. What else? What else would you say? And we're buying mousepad na lang for
Ayun,
Burn.
ano na siya. Yung tummy ko really hates me. So,
Okay, one last thing, and then we'll go home.
yeah. I really think na nag-switch tayo ng drinks. Because it tastes like tiramisu eh.
Well, mine tastes like chocolate. Okay, my cousin, Yang. Say hi.
Ay, actually, I need... Or meron naman siguro sa bahay mo.
Can you grab that?
And then,
Which one's better, that? Yeah, that looks cool, no? Something that Burn would like, no? Yeah. Kasi
siyaso.
the case is 150 na. Eh, di ba 200 naman tayo?
God, hirap na hirap ka naman dyan. Ako na.
Hindi, okay lang. I'm alright. Are you sure? Aw, he took the bag that I was holding.
Sa gay person, I'm doing money.
Only for selected people though. Walang way.
Uy, hindi for selected people ah. As long as it's like someone I'm close. Or someone I'm acquainted with. Tapos nahihirapan sila yung they're like, I tend to help.
Aw, that's really nice.
Para mapakita ko sila how to treat them right.
Yeah, like a man. How a man should treat them right.
Lock.
Okay.
Lock.
Okay. Here po.
So, nakabili ka rin ng isa.
Yeah.
Phone case.
Yeah.
Pati ko phone case, pati yun.
Doon na lang sa paper bag niyo po.
Yeah, sure.
Opo, yes po.
Like, just a plain.
Sandali nga. Ano ko kaya?
The receipt.
Kunin mo. Aba, ako yung may balang.
Nagagalit ka naman. Nagagalit na siya, guys. JD. Hi.
But, alam mo, ito lang sa'yo
She's so pangit.
Sa'yo lang ata naging consistent
Wow.
na JD yung same sa akin for the whole day. Kasi usually, they call me the next time.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, ang common kasi ng JD, and then it's
Not
just a
really. Yeah. I would say so.
Diba?
JD isn't all that common, pero the next is definitely the unique one.
Oh, the unique one.
City of Stars.
Di ko alam yung kanta na yan.
Whatever. Basta yun na yun. Okay, my hand hurts na. Say goodbye na sa the
Ito mo
vlog.
yung ulo ko. Hindi na water things. It's Christmas and water yung thing na yun.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.